Hello, what's up, guys? I'm Tony, and today I'm going to show you that how can you change the font in the bootstrap, or you can say change the font using bootstrap. It's the easiest way to change the font, and you can apply font from Google Fonts. So I will provide you link that how can you change it. So link of these two, Google Fonts and Font Awesome. What you have to do is go on Google. You have to search Font Awesome CDN by Bootstrap. So you will get this page, Bootstrap CDN. So you will have to copy this link and paste it in. Let me see the link. Paste it in link. So what you have to do, LINK link, and you have to paste this link at this place. Then you will just save the page, and later what we have to do is go for Google Fonts. This is the page of Google Fonts. So in this you will have to choose the font you like. So let's see. No, yes, this font look good. So we will choose this font. We'll go for it. So we will copy this link and paste it in a head. Control V, and then go for Google Font again, and you will have to paste this file in the CSS. So go to your CSS file. This will be the CSS file. So it is H3, but if you have multiple H3, then there you will have to face a little bit problem. So we will take a class to avoid problems. Class will be Tony, and H1 font. This will be the class. So we'll go here and we'll go for dot H1 font. What you have to do is paste that, paste this link over here and then save it, and let's see what had happened. This, as you can see, the text is changed. It's not a normal text. So in this way you can change fonts. So I think my Wi-Fi is disconnected, so let me connect it and change the font. Wait a second. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. Come on. So you need your Wi-Fi to be plugged in if you want to change the, what is this? If you want to change your font, then you need your Wi-Fi to be plugged in. Actually, I want to tell you something. I made this video 2 times before this. Both of times I thought that there's something problem in my coding, but not. There's no problem in coding. There's a problem in Wi-Fi. So that's a little bit humor did with me by nature. So in this way you can add fonts to your HTML file using CSS and Bootstrap. So see you guys in the next tutorial, and in the upcoming tutorial I will tell you that how can you add icons and edit them in HTML and CSS. Okay guys, see you later. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Please make sure like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.